Hello everyone. Today question came in, namely why compressed air is needed for laser cutting and how it affects the cutting process. I think Björn, our expert, knows the answer to it.
We need the air to get a perfect and clean cut. It's affecting the surface of the material and the cutting edge itself. I have a sample, and one is made with air and one is made without. And you can clearly see there's a big difference in the quality of the cut.
Oh, okay. And does that work with every material?
It's for sure always depending a little bit on the material. Acrylic, for example, is a bit special as it behaves completely different. There is a good cut is without air, and it's getting worse when you give compressed air to the cut. And you can see also there's a big difference in the quality.
Okay, impressive. Thank you.
No problem.
I hope that answered your question. Have a good day.